Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best organic soap options available, the Au Naturals 3-pack Organic Coconut and Shea Butter Soap Bar. If you're looking for a natural, vegan soap that's perfect for both men and women, this might just be the ideal choice for you. Let's start by understanding what makes this soap stand out. It combines the hydrating power of coconut oil and shea butter, both renowned for their moisturizing properties. This soap is handmade through a cold process, ensuring that all the natural goodness is preserved. First off, this soap is suitable for all skin types, whether you have oily, dry, sensitive, or combination skin. It cleanses gently while hydrating deeply, leaving your skin feeling silky smooth. The Au Naturals soap is not just about being effective, it's also about being eco-conscious. It's vegan, paraben-free, sulfate-free, and cruelty-free, making it a sustainable choice for conscientious consumers. Many users rave about how this soap has transformed their skincare routine. Whether you use it on your face or body, it delivers a luxurious bathing experience with its natural scent and creamy lather. While there are other organic soap options out there, few can match the quality and purity of ingredients found in Au Naturals. It stands out for its blend of coconut oil and shea butter, providing a spa-like experience at home. In conclusion, if you're looking to upgrade your skincare routine with a premium, organic soap that's gentle yet effective, the Au Naturals 3-pack Organic Coconut and Shea Butter Soap Bar is definitely worth considering. It's more than just soap. It's a commitment to healthier, happier skin. If you're interested in trying out the Au Naturals soap for yourself, I've included a link in the description below where you can find more information and make a purchase. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Product Critique.